Understanding shaft bushing, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of mechanical engineering terms, specifically focusing on the phrase shaft bushing. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about engineering jargon, this video will help you understand what a shaft bushing is and how it's used in everyday language. Let's get started. A shaft bushing is a term used in mechanical engineering, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, a shaft is a long, cylindrical piece of metal used in machinery. Think of it like the rod that spins inside a motor. A bushing, on the other hand, is a type of bearing. It's a sleeve, usually made of metal or plastic, that fits around the shaft. The main purpose of a bushing is to reduce friction and wear. So, when we say shaft bushing, we're talking about a sleeve that helps a shaft move smoothly. Now, let's explore the role of a shaft bushing in machinery. This component is crucial for the smooth operation of rotating parts. It acts as a protective interface between the shaft and the part through which it rotates. This not only reduces wear but also helps in reducing noise and vibration. Think of it as a cushion that keeps the parts from rubbing against each other directly. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. Shaft bushings are found in many common machines, such as cars, fans, and washing machines. In a car, bushings are used in the suspension system to help provide a smoother ride. In a fan, they help the blades to spin effortlessly. Recognizing these everyday applications makes the concept more relatable and easier to grasp. We hope this video has shed some light on what a shaft bushing is and why it's important in the world of machinery. Remember, understanding such specific terms can greatly enhance your technical vocabulary, especially if you're learning English for professional or academic purposes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon.